Hello, this is Itai Levitin doing a Nasdaq technical analysis at Forex Live. I've actually kept the title of my previous video. You can check it out on YouTube Forex Live channel or on forexlive.com. You can look for me there and also click on me as an author and look at look at what I publish. There's various intelligent people there with interesting views. So do check it out. And if I can find that, yes, it's this. So I was looking at 18,825. I said that Nasdaq will rise to there. It actually got 0.7% below that to 18,691 to create another touch point of this channel on the weekly time frame. And I will soon focus on a shorter time frame. So let's go to the daily. And we've got this also red channel, which has now touch points here. This is a pivot point because it's higher than this. So we start with this second touch point, and then at the bottom 1 and 2 and 3. And then you can note I've also got this internal line, a green line, which is now prices broken down. Yesterday, the inflation was higher than expected, and the difference between the result and the expectation was not anything insignificant. So I'm thinking that the market is ripe for the bears to come in, both fundamentally due to that news. The Fed is going to have a hard time cutting rates faster, and with that news, that is the expectation. I do not know, but that is my guess. And what I do know is my maps, and I'm watching the price action. So once there was no bounce here, okay, if buyers here were that strong, we would be here seeing a bounce, okay? But we didn't. Okay, so this breakdown, clear breakdown, even before the market opens, is quite clear that something's going on. Now, buyers might come here because we have this, again, this red channel, which is a potential bear flag. Why is it a potential? Bear flag and a bull flag only become activated once price is crossed down. In this case, it needs to break away. Why am I not? Thank you. In this case, this is the red. There's a lot of channels, of course, and algos are following different ones. This is the one. So I'm looking at the next touch point, the next test, to be around 17,970 or so. And if price, for example, there's going to be probably a little bounce up because profitable shorts are going to cover their shorts. Some speculative longs are going to bet on a long. But then if price breaks down, perhaps retests, and then you see it coming down, then this bear flag is activated, and it means that there's not going to be a little bit of down, but a lot more down, to where that's probably follow on Monday, Tuesday on Forex Live, where I'll probably give my opinion of what I think is going on. And at your consideration, you can consider it. So all in all, this way, by the way, as you saw, this was the touch point again of the bigger channel. So we have some very time frames in play, and with a very clear picture right away. Now, is it possible that buyers come in and push this market even up to here? Yeah, it's possible. We keep all the options open. We just look at junctions. I do not know if this price is going to break down. What I do know is that if you're holding, then I would recommend that you consider, it's your decision, it's up to you at your risk only, that if I'm a buy and holder on Apple, on Microsoft, and Nvidia, etc., sharks are now distributing, they're mitigating the risk. What does that mean? They have big profitable positions from a long time ago. Some of them are firms with hundreds of dollars in profit. So they need to, and it is high, maybe in their perception. It takes time for them to sell. They're not going to dump and lower the price. So I would be doing the same and diluting. I'm not saying sit all in cash, and that's up to you, of course. But I would be mitigating risk because if the map shows you that we might later be going down, for example, to here, which is the mid channel of the blue line, okay, and that would be from today's open about another 8% down. That's going to be a healthy correction. Nobody's gonna. I mean, the media is going to find stories about that, but nobody. That it's not something unexpected. Okay, after the market's been going up so far. Okay, so do note the around the 17,960, 970 mark as a next junction. You can also draw this on your charts. I'm using TradingView and trade at your own risk. Do return to Forex Live for additional perspectives and analysis, and have a good week.